Beautiful girl, she was wild as a wind, on top of the world, till she fell in love with him. Everyone told her that he was bad news, a boy going nowhere, ain't no good for you. 'Cause wild ponies are born to run. Wild ponies don't belong to no one. So baby, run, the first time he hit her was right after church. He said he was sorry, but it only got worse. Now she's not the same girl as she used to be. He's breaking her spirit, he's fencing her dreams. 'Cause wild ponies are born to run. Don't you know wild ponies don't belong to no one. So baby, she went out for groceries, just an ordinary day. She realized she was just a fly from the interstate. She sat at a stoplight, the wheel in her hands, and when the light changed, she knew this was her chance. 'Cause wild ponies are born